Hello and welcome to Hisab Kitab. Miftad here. I'll show you everything that we offer at Hisab Kitab, and this is a full demo video for Hisab Kitab. If anyone want to know anything about Hisab Kitab, they can see the video. They can also refer any kind of feature that they are looking forward in Hisab Kitab. In this video, you can see how Hisab Kitab works to automate your business. Whereas if you want that Hisab Kitab can help you in automating more things that you want to do, you can just let us know in comments. Let's start it. Firstly, we'll go to item. In item, you can do various things that are, if you want to add any kind of custom field, you can add it into item. You can add your respective barcode SKU. You can add HSN GST rate, as well as if you want to have a fixed sale, purchase and MRP, you can also add that, in which we can offer multiple unit of measurement in order to create the item. Let's start it. Let's suppose we do an item called shirt, and then I will have a unit of measurement as piece and the secondary unit of measurement as box, for example. And you can see a conversion rate in which you can do one piece equals to how many boxes. We can do 0.01, refers that there are 10 pieces in one box. Okay, after that you can see there is a custom field for piece. You can live that, which will be shown in the column sector of item and invoice, and in item table it will be a column. So if we go downwards, you can see various things that are GST applicable. If you live that, you can see the GST rate that you can get. So for example, it gets 5% of GST applicable, and then you can add your HSN code. So if I add the HSN code 5407, if I want to have an barcode also assigned to it, I can do. And if I want to have an item code that I want to have, you can just write it down that I, for example, I do SHRT. Okay, and then if we go down, you can see MRP, sale price, purchase price. So I will just have an MRP of 1500. I sell it for 1200 without GST, and I purchase it for 1000 including GST. Okay, I purchase it in box and I sell it in piece. I can also do that. If I have any kind of discount attached to it, you can do it. After that, you can see opening stock. I will have 10 quantities and I will have it at the rate of 950 including GST. And you can save anything that you want in Hisab Kitab by using the shortcut key Control A. After that, you can see ledger column. In ledger, you can create customer, supplier, asset, liability. Whatever you want to create, you can create it. And if the group is not created by Hisab Kitab, you have an option to create it by your own. So let's suppose I want to create a customer. I'll just go to group. I'll select the customer group, and you can see various details that I can fill. None of this is mandatory other than state, country, and ledger name. Other than that, it is all optional fields that you want to fill or not. So if I don't want to fill everything, but I have the GST number of my client, I can just fill it out. If I have the GST number, I can just paste it out in GSTIN. You can see based on the GST number, we get everything fetched from the portal and every detail is filled over here. If I want to have a credit period for that a client, I can do it. So for example, I sell it on 1 month credit, and other than that, if the late payment is done, we can have 5% of interest charge. If we have a broker in between, you can add it. If I want to have a credit limit, I can also do that. Credit limit is based on two things, that is amount or invoice. If I want to have a credit limit of amount, it refers that if, for example, I have a client and I have set the credit limit of 50,000, and then let's suppose his name is Mr. A. So if I sell over 50,000 in multiple invoices, the software would either warn us or block us. But if I want that, it should be based on invoice. So if I sell to Mr. A an invoice less than 50,000 and I do it n number of times, the software won't do anything, that is warn or block. So if I want to do the both, that it should be less than 50,000, and if even amount exits, you can have an block option or warn option. I can do that. So based on your requirements, you can set the credit limit and credit amount, and set the limit on your respective requirement. I'll just right now do it no. Then I can see bill wise, in which bill wise I can do opening balance bill wise, and if I don't want to have bill wise opening balance, I can just fill out the amount that I have. So for example, it's 25,000 that we have him as in due. Okay, now I have already tell you again, that is Control A to save. Okay, after that, now we have done ledger and item. These are the only two things that you have to create in first time. and then you don't have to create any time again in your Hisab Kitab accounting journey. But sale, purchase, receipt, payment are the things that everyone have to create. Even there is any kind of software that you purchase from anywhere of the world, sale, purchase, and receipt payment are required for every software that offers the accounting part. So let's start with purchase first. So I'll just go to purchase. You can add your invoice number, invoice date. After that I can select the party. So for example, I purchase it from Reliance. Okay, and I can say, since I have told you SHRT is my shortcut key, I'll just type out and the item is selected. I can just go enter, and I can just go ahead. Likewise we have that in Tally and various other software. I can do the quantity piece of 25. Okay, you can see unit price, you can see discount column, tax rate. Okay, if we scroll downwards you can see other things that are upload document. If I want to upload any kind of documents that is needed, you can upload it. Other than that, you can upload the payment details. If you have to pay right away when the purchase is accounted, you can also add TDS, TCS, and various other things that are note, warning for invoice total change, etc, etc. Okay, so for example, if I want to create a payment voucher right away, I can just select the cash, for example, and I can just select the mode, that is cash, and that is the reference number that I have. So for example, it is 2501. I can do control P to print, control A to save, and control A to save in new as well. So for example, I will do control P, and you can see save and print. Okay, so it's basically right now A4 half, but you can have various kind of things. We offer a various kind of print solution. So if I want a different template at a different size, you can do it from print settings. We offer all this format, that is A4, A5, thermal print, landscape A4, landscape A5, letterhead, and A4 half. Okay, after that I'll show you the templates that I have. That is a normal template. That is the most, we can say, professional template that Tally also offers. After that you can see a new kind of format, you can see other format, and you can see the fourth format that we offer. Okay, now let's have another thing, that is AI agents that will help you in purchase. Because I have shown you purchase, I'll show you what AI agents does. So if I go to AI agents, you can see expense column. I'll just go to expense. So basically, likewise, I've told you at the start of the video, we are an AI powered accounting software, not a normal accounting software. You can just upload the document from here. So if you want to upload PDF of your invoice, you can upload it. Multiple pages, one bill you can do, one page, one bill. So you can upload 10 invoices at a time, and it has a maximum size of 10 MB, which is a great thing. If you have an image, it will be of KBs, and if you have a PDF, it will be of 1 to 2 MB. So basically, you can upload any kind of image or PDF that you have, and it should be and computerized language. We don't support, or any software in India doesn't support handwritten invoices, and I'll warn you about it. You can also see that we have given the note that if it is a password protected file, you can just remove the password in order to upload it. Okay, now we have done with purchase. We have seen what AI agents does in purchase. Let's go to sale. So for sale, we have a shortcut key of F8, or if you want, you can just go from here, select another party. So if I do Reliance, control A to save, control P to print. I have done P. Okay, sorry, control P to print, and it's done. Okay, you can also add the unique barcode for all the invoices that you want in order to pay the UPI way. So if I want to pay using UPI, you can create your own barcode for bank. So if you have a barcode, that will help you with having a payment amount in itself only, so it will help you a lot. So if I want to have a barcode that pays right away using the amount, you can do it. So for example, the invoice is of 25,001 rupees, so it will have the QR code made of 25,001 rupees only. So the software would help you in three ways. Firstly, if it is a rounded off amount, so it will go to the perfect round. Secondly, it gets the conversion more easier if you pay it faster. And third, and the most important thing, it gives you more professionalism in your invoice. Okay, it was sale now, so I'll show you now what receipt payment does. So if I go to receipt, all I have to do is select the party. So let's suppose I do Reliance. Okay, you can see settle invoice button. I'll just do settle invoice, and all the invoices created against Reliance would appear here. You can see the due amount to Reliance is 56,500. You can fill the amount over here. So for example, I do 25,000 and it is done to this. Okay, you can see 25,000 appears over here, and it which way it is, I'll got it in cash. If I want to add any kind of narration, I can do being cash received. Okay, if I want to upload any kind of proof, I can do, and I can just control A to save. Okay, now receipt and payment are same, but if you don't want to do receipt and payment accounting, second AI agent that we support would be appearing here. So if I go to AI agents, you can go to bank. In bank, you can upload your bank statements in PDF and scan PDF format, and within 5 minutes, it processes 1,000 and 10,000 worth of entries, and then you can do your receipt payment accounting in few minutes by using our bank AI agent. In order to see full detailed video of bank AI agent, I will have a link in description. In order to see the what AI agent of bank does, we have created a beautiful fully length video on it. So I won't consume your time over here. And other than that, we have a lot of reports that we support. We support 20 plus reports. You can see over here. We can do profit and loss, trial balance, cash report, ledger report, a party wise ledger report, party wise item report, party wise sale report. Based on your requirement, you can do any kind of thing. Okay. Other than that, we support every kind of inventory report, that is stock summary, item wise profit, party wise sale purchase, whatever you want to see, low stock report as well. So in this way, Hisab Kitab helps you. Other than that, Hisab Kitab help you with the GST return filing. So if you want to do 2B reconciliation, GSTR1, you can do any kind of thing that you need. You can see there is the 2B reconciliation. We also have a GSTR1 video. We also have e-way e-invoice, how we set up it, and how Hisab Kitab does it so faster that no other software offers a 10-second to 15-second e-invoice creation anywhere in India. So if you want to see those kind of videos, I'll also have that link in the description. You can let us know if you have any kind of queries or questions in the comments. You can also subscribe to channel to see more kind of videos, and you can support us by liking the video. If you want to have any other queries and want it to be resolved, you can just connect our team and they will help you with every kind of query that you have. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And also, if you want, you can visit our Instagram handle, in which we post every day regularly about the features that we are going and the upcoming features that we are gonna offer. Thank you so much for watching.